Yes, ladies and gentlemen, another one. This is a pocket door we're putting in right now. So we are installing the frame for the pocket door. Alright. So there's a change here. So we're not gonna use this door again. So we're gonna use a pocket door here just to the space. Alright. We're installing the pocket door here. Alright. Okay. Now we are getting in the header right here. Right there, the header is in. Frame is in place, so we're gonna strengthen it. After, yes, we're gonna strengthen it. So it's all level. Yes. Frame is in. Thank you. Frame is in, and we are just rest the door here. So we want the rollers here, right there, going down there. Yes. So peeps, you're gonna sheetrock there, over there, here, and then we finish with this side. So that is how we put in the pocket door, frame, and door. All right.